Well, you guessed it. I'm on another LA adventure, and today you're going to find me in Culver City at the Culver Hotel. There's our MGM Lion. Today I'm here because I like tea, and I'm at an afternoon tea at the Culver Hotel with my girlfriends. Let me give you a little bit of history about the Culver Hotel. Culver City was founded by Harry Culver in 1917, and in 1924, guys, that's 101 years ago, he bought the Culver Hotel and Bar. He actually bought it with Charlie Chaplin, and history books say that Charlie Chaplin either sold or lost his portion of the hotel in a poker game, or he sold it for $1, from what I understand. Oh boy, here comes the fountains, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, that's so absolutely beautiful. So there are 46 rooms here at the hotel, which you could come rent and stay in. There are rooms for events here. There you can tour through it. It's about 4 or 5 stories high. You can see how high it is. It's like about 6. There's a European restaurant here. There's Bistro Gardens, and that's where I'm having my tea today. There's a secret tunnel supposedly here. Every time I've toured it, I've tried to get my friends that have given me the tour to let me go down the steps and try to go through those tunnels, but no bueno. During the filming of The Wizard of Oz, guys, all 124 Munchkins stayed here. Now, history tells us that they wreaked havoc in the town, but I wasn't here then, so I really can't verify that. It is a great place. There's a Speakeasy Lounge here as well, called the Velvet Lounge. I've been up to that, and it is just fabulous. They have various events here. They have jazz night. You can come have breakfast. You can have lunch. You can have dinner. Today I'm having tea. So guys, I'm going to run off and go have tea and see what else this hotel holds.